What we're going to do for now is navigate back over here to assets, and I want to show you how to sell a stock. So right now we have pretty much the same market value in Nvidia since we just bought it a few minutes ago. But if we click on this here and then we click on the sell to close button, it's going to bring up our order ticket. So we can do a market order if we want to sell instantaneously at the market price, or if we wanted to do a limit order and specify a set price or better, we could do that. But in this case, we're just going to do a market order. So here we are on the order screen. We're looking to sell our 0.02775 fractional shares, and the estimated total here is $24.98. We're going to click on the sell button, and then we have to confirm the order just like before. And just like that, we have now sold our position here in Nvidia. So if we click on the back button and go back to the main screen, you can see that our portfolio value is now $49.96. So through buying and then selling those fractional shares of Nvidia, we actually lost 4 cents. But just for demonstration purposes, it shows you how to buy and sell. And if we click over here on P&L, we can now see that it's showing a 4-cent loss from our Webull trading account. So this is super handy to track the performance of your trades.